Hello everyone, this is Maxim and Borwald Company, Krakow, Poland. We received two machines from the Borwick line boring machines company, and I want to unpack the Bm40 machine and show you what is included in the kit. Please put the like, write questions, it's very interesting to know what you think. And let's get started. You want to buy a Bm40 machine, but you don't fully understand what is included in the package, and now I will clearly show you everything. The machine comes with two interconnectable boring shafts, 1 meter long and 2.2 meters long, and also a telescopic surfacing shaft 2.5 meters long. Next, let me open another box in which there is a trolley which contains the machine itself, the control panel and all the necessary tools and components. Inside the card there are convenient mounts for the machine and for the control panel. Since we often work on site at the client, we move these mounts to the car for easier transportation. If you are interested, write in the comments and I will make you a separate video about it. We have this card where everything is conveniently folded and packed. When you receive the machine, you will find a packing list that lists everything that's included in the kit: boring tools, surfacing tools. Here you will find the manual in English as well. Despite the fact that the remote control is firmly installed and secured with straps, it was additionally packed in film and polystyrene foam for even greater safety. Now I'm going to show what the control panel looks like. Since we are changing the plugs on the control panel to European style plugs, we will additionally double check the functionality of all buttons and switches. As you can see, everything is working properly. Let's see what else our card has. As you can see, there are two built-in drawers for storing tools and components. This is a set of keys, screwdrivers, a Morse key and a holder for a dial indicator. The set includes holders for cutters of different types: left, right, straight. The holders are of different lengths. The holders are equipped with branches. This is a 100mm cutter holder and the wrench to this holder. This is a 50mm cutter holder, also with a wrench. This is a spring for the surfacing shaft, so that the surfacing cable does not bend where it is attached to the shaft. It's a spare chain and belt. Set of cutters of 10 pieces. Torch head extensions 50, 100 and 300 mm. Short and long welding wire nozzles 35 and 50 mm. Micro spend 400 mm modular device. Tool holder bar extension 80, 150, 230 mm. Bolts and dies for the centering kit. There should also be centering rings, I will show them later. Copper wire contacts and torch heads from 65 and 250 mm. Cable for connecting the control panel to the machine. Cable for connecting the surfacing shaft to the welding machine. There is also a button to control the welding machine. Welding protective spray. We also have a box that contains the brackets for the supports and the bolts and nuts for those brackets. I'll show you the supports now and lay it all out for review so you can see how it looks. Here we have 4 supports. The base for these supports consists of cast iron. This is very convenient, nothing sticks to them during welding. Brackets are attached to these supports, which I will show a little later. As you can see, these supports are very high quality and solid. Now I'll show you the centering kit that I talked about earlier. Centering couplings that fit onto the shaft, bolts and dies that are welded to the body of the part. If you don't know how to use the centering kit, comment and I'll make a detailed video. I'm now laying out brackets 50, 70 and 200 mm long, which are attached to the supports and then welded to the body of the part using bolts. Let's take another look at our kit. Brackets and centering kit. Supports. Control panel. The machine itself. Next, I laid out everything that is stored in the cart. A set of keys. Tool holder set. Set of cutters. Spare chain and belt. Set of nozzles of different sizes. Burner head extension and burners themselves. Modular micro spend. Extension for tool holders. These are the dies for the centering kit, I'll put them here. Cable for welding machine, cable for control panel, spray. And last time, remote control machine for supports. Further, set of brackets and centering kit. Hand tools, boring and surfacing tools. 2 boring shafts and surfacing shaft. To find out the cost and order such a machine, visit our website and contact us in any convenient way. Thank you.